Hello! Today I'm going to show you a really simple, easy daytime eye look that you can wear anywhere, anytime, and I'm also going to give you some amazing tips and tricks that you can use to perfect your eyeshadow every time. The first tip you're going to need to know is using really good blending brushes, right? Applying eyeshadow, blending is probably the epitome of getting your shadow to look the way you want it to, okay? Not only having good blending brushes, but how we use our blending brush. So a lot of us hold our brush down here, and it really limits your mobility. What you want to do is hold your brush up here, gives you a little more freedom and a little more looseness. This is how you want to hold your brush when you're blending. For this look, I chose an all matte palette because I just feel like matte colors are really easy to blend and they're very subtle. There's no shimmer, nothing that's going to draw too much attention, and it's going to keep your eye looking really simple and really pretty for the daytime. The next tip I'm going to show you guys is just applying some concealer. This is going to help clean up your eyebrow, which mine are a little messy, I apologize. And then I'm just going to drag that down and use it on my lid. This acts as a shadow primer as well, so you get a 2-in-1 product. You're just going to take your blender and you're going to blend that out until it looks seamless with your skin. This is going to make eyeshadow application much easier. So we're going to go in with this medium, really pretty pink peachy color right into the transition crease of our eye. What this does is it gives your eye just a little bit of color, so it doesn't just look like when you start to apply your darker color that there's just color sitting there. This is called your transition color, and it really helps your colors just blend so nicely. I love this beautiful peach color. The next color we're going to do is a little bit darker. This is but not too dark, just still keeping it daytime, so this is a nice light brown. And we're just going to apply that right on the outer corner of your eye. So you can see I kind of started by patting it on, and then I used this crease brush to just blend it out towards the inside of my eye, but not going too close. We are saving that for a lighter color, which you'll see in the handy dandy blending brush. You always want to make sure you blend it out. When in doubt, blend it out. So the last and final shade is this beautiful light peachy color, and we're just going to pop that right on the inner corner of our eye. Putting a lighter shadow on the inside of your eye helps to brighten and just draw attention to the big, beautiful eyeballs that you have, okay? And when I apply my light color, I just want to go in and pat that on, and then of course, blending it out. The next thing I get asked is how I get my shadow so clean. All I do is take that concealer brush and I clean up the edges. It's that simple. There's always a little extra concealer from when I do my eyebrows, so I just put it right under my eyes. The last step is I already had mascara on in the beginning of this video, but my favorite thing about this Epic mascara is that you can apply a coat after you've already been wearing it throughout the day, and it doesn't clump it up. So we're just going to reapply a little mascara, get those lashes back to life. That's exactly what this does when you apply your coat, brings them back to life. And the last thing I wanted to do was add a wing to show you how very simple it is to take a gorgeous daytime look and add a little drama. So you can rock this look to the office during the day and then throw on a fierce wing and rock it in the night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching.
You guys, I was so nervous making this video, and I don't know why. Well, actually I do know why. This is my first video that I've ever uploaded to YouTube, so I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. You guys are gonna have to help me. Give me all the criticism, all the tips, all the tricks, okay? For those of you who don't know me, my name is Amanda Catalano, and I am a green status elite presenter with Unique. So I do a lot of videos on Facebook Live. I've done a lot of, that's really my comfort zone is Facebook, but I need to shake things up and get out of my comfort zone. So here I am with you guys. I don't know what happens next, so I'm hoping you guys can help me and do all the things that YouTubers do, show me all the things. And I think that's subscribing and sharing and commenting and liking and loving and doing all those things that you do. So please, please, please subscribe and share and just show me the love and give me all of the tips and tricks. I love you guys so much, and I look so forward to this amazing journey, and hopefully I'll see you guys again so soon.